Good morning, my Algebra 1 peeps. I love you guys. I miss y'all so much. I'm going to this new format because I'm hoping that it'll help you seeing me like my face while I'm teaching this. Seeing just my fingers and listening to my voice. I know you zone out. You zone out when you see me too, but hey, maybe it'll help a little bit. I'm not real sure. So we're going to this format and I'm going to do the best I can. You see my little buddy here? I don't have a name for him yet. I bought him for my granddaughter, and I haven't sent him to her yet. So y'all help me come up with a name for him. Submit names. That would be kind of fun. All right, so today's word, Day 3 Emergency Plans, Northside High School, Mrs. Mitchell. Here we go. We're doing the quadratic formula. You guys have done this. You've done it many times. We're just reviewing it, getting more practice on it. That's what we're supposed to do these 10 days is review stuff we've done. Make sure you got it solid. You guys had this. Let's go back and make sure you still got it. Okay, so I picked a problem. It is not one of the problems on your worksheet. No, I'm not doing one for you. You're going to have an example here. This is not number 1. Don't think it is. This is a made-up problem. I just did it. Okay, just made it up. So I've got your quadratic formula written over here. My recommendation to you is you take notes just like you do in school. That way you'll have it. Now you can always go back and look at it on the video, but it's nice to have it right in front of you. But definitely copy this down so that you have it. Remember, I promised I would always give you the quadratic formula if you had to use it. Now don't forget you got your Desmos calculator on the announcements. Click on the link. It'll take you to the Desmos calculator so you can use it for this. All right, so what do we do first? We see that it equals 0 and that our A does not factor out. Like I can't divide 3 by -4 and get a whole number. We can't factor out our A. Excuse me. So it's going to stay. So because of that and because it equals 0, I am wanting to use the quadratic formula. You ready? All right. So first thing we got to do is get our A, our B, and our C. You should always do that first. Go ahead and do it on your whole paper. Get your A, your B, and your C all the way down. Be done with it. So let's go over here. A is what? If you remember, it's AX squared plus BX plus C. That's where we're getting the A, the B, and the C from. So my A is, you're right, -4. Good job. -4. B is, hey, remember, you got to take the sign with it. Don't lose that sign. -3. And C is +2. Got it? Now all we're going to do is just plug it in. Just plug it in, plug it in. Don't you hate that? I'm sorry, can't help it. Been doing it for years. All right, so here, what's my B? Let's go ahead and put my B in everywhere my B goes. So my B is -3. So we got a negative and a 3. Can y'all see that okay? I hope so. My markers aren't big, so I got to do the best I can. So I've got my -3 here. Now see, I've got negative, -3. Very important. Don't lose this negative just because you have this negative. Don't lose this negative just because you have this negative. You need both negatives. If it's a -3, you got to put it in just like it is. So over here, what goes here? -3. You're right. Good job. Coming back to you? I kind of thought it might. -3. All right, so then I've used my 3's. I've got all my B's in. When you use it, lose it. And we'll go over here. Let's get some A's. I got some A's. What's my A? My A is -4. I'm going to slide that -4 right here. And we're going to slide that -4 right here because those are my -4's. I'm trying to make it dark enough for you to be able to see. This little bitty marker. Can you see that before? Does that make sense now? -4, -4. Yeah. All right. And then C. My C. Oh, I've used it. Lose it. Here's my C right here. It's a 2. So we're going to come over here. Everywhere there's a C, put the 2. There you have it. That's the quadratic formula. With your Desmos calculator, you plug it in and you run it how many times? 2. Why 2? Once with plus, once with minus. And you will get decimals, and that's fine. Or you may get fractions. That's fine. However your Desmos calculator puts it out, I'll accept it because I can't be there with you to help you figure out how to get it where it needs to be. I know we haven't used the Desmos calculator yet. Good luck. I hope it works okay. But please, Make sure you use your quadratic formula. Get your A, your B, and your C. Plug it in. Use your notes. Copy down the notes from there. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day.